What do you think, princess? What'd you hear? What'd you hear? You hear the sound? What does it sound like? Was it your name? What's he saying? Princess, come out and play. You're just so pretty. Who else is going to be in the video with you? Huh? So what's on your mind today, princess? You found a new necklace to play with? Yeah, I added some different stuff today. You like it? Why are you here? You heard something again? Those noises bothering you? Some people are just playing. It's probably just kids at the pool. They're swimming! They're swimming! Ah! Oh, big stretch. Yes, ma'am. Einstein! Princess. Hey, the spotlight is back on you. You're being videoed. You see yourself? Whoa. You can't attack mommy. You see yourself? Yeah, you got so mad because I was videoing Einstein. I'm sorry. Okay, and Tails just blocking everything.